Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete conversation or chats in Snapchat. The process is really easy. I'll get straight to the point. Let's get started. So first of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. And you'll see this page on your screen. This is the camera of Snapchat. Now to delete any chat, you'll have to go to your conversation. So for that, you'll have to tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. It is right besides the search icon. Once you see the chat box, you'll simply have to open the chat you want to delete. Here you can see my text. I'll be showing you how to delete it. So first of all, you'll have to long press on the text you want to delete. And you'll see this menu. On this menu, you can see the third option, which is delete. Go ahead and tap on it. Then once you see this, you'll have to tap on delete chat. As you can see, the text has been deleted. Once you delete a text or snap, your friend will be able to see that you deleted something, but they won't see what you deleted. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.